New tonight, for almost 70 years, the American Legion Post 104 in Sevierville has helped servicemen and women living with combat trauma across East Tennessee. This 4th of July, the post is helping veterans escape the sounds of fireworks. Reporter Maria Guzman explains how an officer from Post 104 is on a mission to help others find peace during those holiday festivities. Maria.
Hey Katie, we've all seen these type of signs in front yard. Now they're combat veterans informing neighbors of their sensitivity to fireworks. But here is something new. A room of service member from different branches finding community in a day that at times brings trauma.
I guess you could say, without getting too emotional, we all took an oath that has bound us together.
It's an oath of a lifetime, leading this veteran to help others with emotional stress from combat find safety.
That bond is thicker than any blood dared to be, because at one time we swore if we had to, we'd give our lives for each other.
James McLaughlin served in the U.S. Army Airborne Division. His job consisted of jumping out of airplanes. His 7 years of service led him to the Gulf War. He says holidays like the 4th of July can reopen invisible wounds like PTSD.
In our Independence Day is supposed to be a happy celebration, but the noise effect can cause problems for these veterans because the fireworks are very similar to the sounds we hear in combat. And it can bring you back to a place that you were that wasn't a very comfortable place.
James says the loud sounds of fireworks can pass as artillery rounds going off. According to the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, 7 out of every 100 veterans will have PTSD. That's compared to 6 out of every 100 adults in the general public.
That's a lot of military personnel that are coming home that bring the war home with them.
Now the American Legion Post 104 will be open from 7 in the afternoon to midnight on July 3rd and 4th and will welcome any veteran or first responders who want to take a break from the fireworks. Katie.
Maria, an important mission. Thank you.